Here I have DOOGE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the storage section. So firstly we have to go to the system, then you have to go to the storage, then go to the SD card section, tap here, go to the storage settings, and then tap format, and then confirm it by tapping format SD card, and after a few seconds your SD card will be formatted and will be ready to the use as new. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.